Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Now, students, we've been talking about single-step and now two-step equations. I want to give you a few more examples of some two-step equations, which is kind of an exception to the rule. Here we go. All of these two-step equations I'm showing here have some division that we need to deal with. Now, as I said previously, we're going to get rid of the free number first, okay? And then we're going to perform the opposite operation to solve the remaining one-step equation. And then we are going to check our answer by substitution. Okay, we're going to follow these three steps for these problems. Now, if you already know what to do and you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and hit pause and continue watching when you're done. But on 5, 6, 7, and 8, what we have here is a division on underneath the variable side. So in this case, the -2 is not the free number. Okay, the number that's underneath the fraction bar is considered the free number. So here it's division by 14, here it's division by 2, here it's division by 14 again, and here it's division by 2. Now, no matter what the number is, now what you have to do is you have to make sure that you multiply both sides by that number. So for this two-step equation, we're going to multiply each side by 14. And now they cancel out. All right, in number 6, you're going to multiply both sides by 2. And I'm going to show the multiplication with a set of parentheses. You could use a dot. All right, go ahead and hit pause and try the rest. Now, what's the rest of the equations look like? Well, this would be r minus 2 equals 14, and then it becomes a single step equation. As it says there, you're going to do the opposite operation, which obviously would be adding 2 to each side, and then we would have r equals 16. Don't forget to check your answer by substitution. If I had 16 and I take 2 away from it, that would be 14. 14 divided by 14 is 1, so that would work. Over here, after we multiply each side by that free number, the 2 down below there, we would have -6 equals 2 plus x. So we would subtract 2 from each side, and obviously -8 would be my answer. So let's check that out. Does that work? 2 plus -8, what is that? -6. So -6 on the top divided by a +2 would be -3, as it says there. Number 7, yep, we're going to multiply each side by the 14. Notice how I write it up above. I don't write it right next to that 14 because we need to show that we have multiplication there. So 14 times 1 on the left-hand side there. So 14 times 1 is 14 equals k minus 1, and add 1 to each side. That would give me my answer of 15. All right, let's check it out. 15 take away 1 is, yep, 14 on the top. 14 divided by 14 is 1. So the 2 has been identified as the free number here. Let's go ahead and multiply each side by the 2. And that cancels it out over there, and I have -3 times 2 on the right. So -6 is the result on the right, and on the left I just dropped down what I have already, 8 plus x. How do you get rid of the 8 there? Subtract. Yep. So finishing this two-step equation here, x would have to be a -14. All right, so 8 plus -14 would be a -6. -6 divided by 2 is -3. So these are exceptions to, at least they look different from a typical two-step equation, but you still need to consider that number being divided below on each side as the free number. That's where you start. Thanks for watching this video. Now we're going to continue on to multi-step equations. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard,